You have to learn how to control it. And these are your greatest allies.
You're kind of cute. Whoa. When you're...
Go to closest McDonald's.
The closest one I found is McDonald's on Highway 7 in Richmond Hill. Starting route to McDonald's. Proceed to Conrad Crescent, then turn left.
How is the weather today?
In Markham today, it'll be clear with clouds from time to time, with a forecasted high of 19 and a low of 8. Currently it's 18 degrees and partly cloudy.
Go to closest gas station.
Okay, handing off to Waze.
Here are the search results for go to closest gas station. Let's take Fairview Mall Drive, Don Mills Road, Toronto.